There we go. Alright guys, we're going to do the brake line. We already done the brakes, but we're going to replace the brake line because this thing's got over 200,000 miles and you never know when they're going to fail, and they're really cheap. So we got these from Advanced Auto, not a sponsor, and we're going to replace those. Even though this is should be a metric truck I should say, the 2006 Silverado, these lines are standard. Stupid, huh? So the top is 9/16. I'm going to put a flare nut wrench, and the bottom is also a 5/8, a different size, and they fit. They're the ones that fit the best. I put some metrics on there, and they don't fit, but these standard ones, they do fit. And so then just break it loose like that, and you can see that that's coming loose. Put a bucket or something underneath it, because you know there is going to be some drippage, and after we're done, we will have to then bleed the system dry, to make sure that it's all air free when we're done, and we'll run through a power bleed after the fact. But yeah, I'm gonna put a bucket, but then this is what we're gonna do. Alright, let me get a bucket on the ground because we're about to get drip drip drip. Okay, so now just before we break it, we got to pull this clip out. Okay, and so we're gonna do a screwdriver in there. Alright, and then just twist it, and it should pop right out, and that's what holds the clip in place. Okay, so there we go. Twist. You see it? I hope you can see it. Okay, come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Can you see it? Alright, so there we go. And then it's just a clip. It slides right underneath it, and now this is free to move about. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is now release the bolts. Looks like a 10 mil here, a 10 mil here. That also holds the ABS line in place, and then we will move those out. One, two. We're not going to get that out because we want to remove this bracket. Let's see how we're going to get that apart. Okay. And then this is probably going to be a 13 on this end, and then we'll break that free when we do this, just to make sure we leave the line off for the shortest amount possible time-wise. But this is what we need to get off right here. So we should be able to squeeze that and then push that out. So I get a pair of pliers and I squeeze it. Alright, let's see. So if we squeeze the ears just enough, hopefully we can get that out. There we go. There we go. That's out. So squeeze that in. It came out. And now this is free. So we're gonna take this part off, and then this part's loose. So let's get a bucket into there to catch some drippings. Let's hope not too much. Alright, so that's probably a 13. Nope, that's not. That's not. But I don't know why yours didn't do. Oop, that's gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Let's see. Let's take this, take that. 11. Okay. Okay, you're gonna lose all your fluid now.
Hey. Can we get a shorter extension cord, you think?
Hey.
Why?
Dang, man, dang.
You're gonna cut all that out, right?
Yeah, we'll try to. Alright, so that goes there. Okay, so guys, here we go. We got the two new copper washers. You're gonna put one on either side to make sure it seals, because that's what's doing the sealing. So we're gonna take this out. This was an 11mm bolt. Want to make sure that copper washer falls out. Want to make sure that falls out. Yeah, I gotta break that loose. That's not coming loose. Okay, the old ones are gone. Make sure you get the new ones. Put one on. Put one on. Put the bolt through. All right, make sure it's going in the right orientation. Screw it through like so. And that, okay. All right, so we're gonna put it on and tighten it up. All right, here we go. We're gonna push it through the right way. Okay, so that's gonna go right there. Okay, perfect. I'll take this one out of the way, and now we're gonna undo this. Should be just finger tight. There we go. Put the pop line out. Put that in the bucket. Bring this up or around, because we know that's the way it's gonna go right here, like so. We're gonna pick this up, feed it in through the hole, make sure it fits. Because if it doesn't, you're not gonna work. Okay, make sure it fits. It's only gonna fit in one way because you got to get it up to the point where it's actually gonna fit. So I don't know why it's not fitting. I gotta rotate it just a little bit more here. Those lips have to go in. So let's rotate it just a hair more. This way. Or we're gonna rotate it that way. We're gonna have to rotate it though. That's gonna rotate. Okay, we're gonna put it in this way. There we go. There we go. Okay, we gotta get the twist out of it. Come on, still fighting. Hold it. It's right there, and it's right there. Why won't it fit? Come on, guys. There we go, huh? All right, there we go, right there. Okay, put that on there. Then we'll put the clip on to hold it. Okay. And bottom clip with the top going up. Just push it in. That ought to do it. And then make sure the brake line goes in straight. Don't cross through it, so start it by hand. Make sure that goes in nice and smooth. There we go. We've got a nice start on there. All right, and then we're going to continue with light. Okay, let's go back to this. 9/16. Using a flare knot. We're going to make the final tightening. There we go. Flared, so it should be, once you make it tight, it should be good to go. I'll put this wrench on the bottom just for support. And we're going to tighten that baby down. Okay, there we go. That'll how we do it. We'll tighten this down. That'll do it. And then we're going to put these screws back on. So we got one screw here. That's like so. We got one that holds it up away on the control arm here, like so. Like so. Okay. And that is 10 mil. So let's get that on there. Come on, line up. Go. There we go. Then we're going to tighten it up with my hand to make sure it's nice. Okay. All right, and then put the clip in and we're done. And again, that's a short video, and that's it. We replace the brake line. We still have to bleed it though. We will power bleed it through here later on. I'll bring that up for you in a second, okay? But we'll get to that. But again, thank you for subscribing during this time, and enjoy another video. Thank you very much.